And good day to all. Today we are going to take a look on mechanics of soil erosion. So before this class we have checked what is soil erosion factors and causes of soil erosion, agents of soil erosion. Here we are going to see mechanics of soil erosion. Soil erosion is initiated by detachment of soil particles due to action of rain. So generally when the water when the water drop into the land, the water force may splash and disturb the soil. So due to this action, the detached particles are transported by erosion agents from one place to another and finally get settled at the some place, leading to soil erosion process. So in this figure you can see the process of water erosion by the impact of raindrops. When the raindrop came and drop into the land, cause detachment, then it transported to the higher elevation to the lower elevation and deposit into the some other places. So next one, mechanics of water erosion. So there are three steps for accelerated erosion by water. One is detachment or loosening of soil particles causing by flowing water, freezing and thawing of the topsoil, the impact of falling raindrop. Next one is transportation of soil particles by floating, rolling, dragging and or splashing. So next one you see deposition of transported particles at some places of lower elevation, as I told. Next one, mechanics of wind erosion. Wind erosion occurs where soil is exposed to the dislodging force of wind. The intensity of wind erosion varies with surface roughness, slope and types of cover on the soil surface and wind velocity, duration and angle of incidence. These are the factors the wind erosion have caused. Fine soil particles can be carried to great heights and maybe hundreds of kilometers. Like when the sand dunes happen, the very fine sand will transport to the hundreds of miles. The overall occurrence of wind erosion could be described in three different phases. One is initiation of movement, second one is transportation and deposition. In the initiation of movement, when the cohesive bonding of soil is less, the soil may take separately in combination in the other of collision of grains rolling and bumping on the surface. Some particles may be bounced up. It bounces up and it occurs when the wind force or the impact of moving particles is strong enough to dislodge and stationary soil particles. Next one is transportation. When the soil have bounced up, it may cause the force of wind, it transported to another places. Like the transportation of the particles once they are dislodged takes place in three ways. One is saltation, another one is soil creep and suspension. Saltation, in saltation soil particles of medium size particles, like it range between 0.10 to 0.15 diameter are carried by wind in a series of short bounces. Next one is soil creep. Saltation also encourages soil creep like rolling or sliding along the surface of the particles range between 0.5 to 1.0 diameter. Third one is suspension. When the particles of soil are very small, less than like 0.1 diameter, they are carried over long distances like 100 miles also. Final one is deposition. When it transported to another places where the wind velocity is less, it might deposit to that at that place. Like deposition of the particles occurs when the gravitational force is greater than the forces holding the particles in air. Deposition could occur when the wind velocity is decreased due to the surface obstruction or other natural causes. Thank you.